Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So automation lets you scale your content creation, generating images, videos, and assets faster with less manual work. While OpenArt doesn't offer full native automation, you can build powerful workflows around it. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to automate OpenArt in 2026, the smart creator system. Okay, so first thing first, define what you want to automate. Start with clarity, okay? For example, bulk image generation, daily social media post, UGC video creation, thumbnail production. Okay, so focus on repetitive tasks. So create a prompt system, like build reusable templates. So for example, you have to have a subject, style, lighting, quality, variations. So prepare variations like different colors, different scenes, because prompt here is the automation foundation. Okay, so use bulk generation in OpenArt, generates multiple images per patch. Okay, repeats batches, combine with prompts, variations, and reference images. Semi-automation inside OpenArt. Okay, so organize your workflow, create folders like inputs, prompts, ideas, and outputs, images and videos. So the final content, because organization here is the efficiency. Okay, so use external automation tools, like connect OpenArt with other tools like Zapier, Make. Okay, automate saving files, like sending outputs, okay, posting content. So this is where real automation happens. Okay, so that's it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.